What's cracking, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. Today's altcoin of the day is going to be Aerodrome Finance, ticker symbol AERO. I actually wanted to do a meme coin Monday, and I will do a meme coin today. I'm actually going to leave Mondays for the meme coin, so if you guys have any coins that you want me to cover, make sure to let me know in the comments section below. Today I wanted to cover Aerodrome Finance, particularly because I'm seeing one of the most beautiful bull flag breakouts on this chart right now. For those of you who are unaware, AERO is actually one of the foundational blocks to the base network. Okay, it is the liquidity provider to the base network. But it's not just the fundamentals that matter, and I keep repeating myself, you got to make sure the technicals back up the strong fundamentals. You see this break right now? That's not just a break of the bull flag. If I go ahead and smack that region of resistance coming in at $1.26, you need to understand that this break was also us breaking a critical region of resistance. All right, you can see that $1.26 since April has plagued Aerodrome. Every single test of $1.26 was rejected by the bears over and over again up until right now. So 6 months of resistance, and we finally have a break on this. Now, if I just had to fall back on some objective TA right here and just smack out that next major region of resistance, I'm saying the next region of resistance only comes in at around $1.80. From where price is at right now to $1.80, that's a good 30% even on that pump. So now word on the street is that this is primarily due to an exchange listing. Now, while I have been trading Aerodrome on the base network, like on chain, I'm actually really glad to know what exchange this got listed on. It got listed on BitUnix, and I have actually been trading on BitUnix recently. Really like my experience so far. So I'm super stoked that Aerodrome has actually been introduced on there. For those of you looking for a really good exchange to trade on, and for now there is no KYC just yet, definitely check out BitUnix. If you jump in, then definitely use the link in the description below. That's going to get you discount on your trading fees as well as 5.5k in bonuses. So Aerodrome is the latest listing on BitUnix. Now, while the famous saying goes, hey, buy the rumors, sell the news, and that also applies to exchange listings, but you cannot always take that at face value, okay? Don't ever trade on a saying. You always got to look at the chart and then appraise the asset based on what you're seeing price is doing right now. And if I have to put all my biases aside, I'm saying this is that next major range of oscillation where the next target only comes in at $1.80, which is a good 30% from where price is at right now. But now, as traders, we always want to get the best bid opportunities. Now, we know there is a breakout of a bull flag. Question is, can we actually get a pullback on Aerodrome, perhaps getting us a better bid on Aero, and then look for that move to the upside, look for the trend to continue to the upside? Well, for that, get into the Mango dashboard. You're going to find this on app.mangoresearch.co. It's going to help us figure out if Aerodrome can actually see a pullback here. Also, guys, the Mango dashboard has a Twitter handle that gives you notifications on coins you ought to be looking at. So definitely go ahead and give that one a follow. I'll be linking it down in the description below. For now, let's go ahead and actually filter out AERO from this list. AERO USDT, guys, longs across the board. Okay, long signals across the board. If you had an alert set on AERO, okay, you got an email notification telling you the trade has gone off, your long signal has been activated, and notice if you caught a trade on any of these time frames, say if you were even trading the daily time frame, you are already up a good 16% from when that alert was actually given out. But now question is, can AERO actually keep pumping from here, or can we actually look for a pullback opportunity on the chart and potentially even score a better bid? Well, for that, I want you guys to look at the volatility profile, 74 and 38. So now because the 4 hour is 74, it's an expansion move, okay? When I see an expansion move, I'm often looking for a cool off of that trend. A cool off means a pullback, but in my opinion, I think it's going to be a minor pullback. And why a minor pullback? Because check out the volatility on the 12-hour time frame, 38. Super duper healthy, telling me that the bulls have a lot more juice still left in them. And I think it's pretty apt given the current conditions right now, because my holistic analysis is telling me that, hey, the markets are lightly getting into this phase, this altcoin season phase. And I give you guys my entire thesis right here. If you get into the premium video section, you're going to find this video that I posted last week telling you exactly why it is time to lock in for the altcoin season. I give you guys my entire analysis as to why I think altcoin season is around the corner. So once again, you can find that on app.mangoresearch.co. If you're getting into premium, don't forget to use the birthday coupon. It's BDay2024. Okay, you can use it on the dashboard, you can use it on the courses, as well as all of the indicators. Speaking of the indicators, let's go ahead and turn on our Mango Dynamic indicator. I have been using the dynamic on the 12-hour specifically for AERO to get me those excellent bid opportunities. I do have a heavy position in Aerodrome right now. But I've been using the 12-hour dynamic to help me capture some good bids. And just to show you, I'm just going to sort of zoom out of this picture from the very beginning. And yeah, I've been looking at AERO from the very beginning, because for those of you who are unaware, AERO is actually a copy of the optimism liquidity function, which is actually Velodrome. That's right. So it was Velodrome that came first, and then Aerodrome that came second. But yeah, I've been following this project since then, and you can just see how well price action performs on that 12-hour dynamic. Literally, as soon as the trend begins, every touch of the 12-hour dynamic provides traders with excellent bid opportunities, right? You're able to manage that trade really well. And then as soon as it broke right here, it was held as resistance, and that's when the intermediate downtrend began in earnest. And even throughout this phase right here, capturing a bid on the 12-hour dynamic also tells you when you're wrong really fast, right? Because as soon as it breaks, you get out at a minimal loss, or even sometimes at break even. But it tells you exactly when that trend is about to break and when it's time to switch sides. Now, if I have to fast forward to today, notice as soon as we took out dynamic resistance, we've been trending on the 12-hour dynamic since, and even during this bull flag consolidation, where did prices get picked up? 12-hour dynamic support, as well as right here, we came down for a tap at dynamic support. That's where the bulls actually came in, and then off to the races. We had one more tap right here. That's where the bulls actually came in off to the races, and we finally have a breakout of that beautiful bull flag. So you can see that we're still trending on dynamic support. Prices living over that region. Dynamic is green, slope to the upside. It's an aggressive slope, and what the EQ tracker is telling me is that this move has just begun, because you can see that we're just about getting into the expansion phase. The last time the cloud was green within those white dotted lines was only right here. Okay, let me just go ahead and mark that out for you. Right here. Okay, there we go. I've smacked a line right there. The last time we were at the same equilibrium phase. And when prices actually started expanding, it did a good 86% on that next rally. And once again, we're at that same juncture while prices have broken out of the bull flag as well, as we live over dynamic support. And that's why, guys, it's very important to keep your objective indicators close to you, especially during this phase of the market. Now, if I have to go ahead and look at that next potential target that Aerodrome can get up to, that will take AERO all the way up to $3, which is going to mean all-time high for Aerodrome. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like. Today is Meme Coin Monday, so if there are any coins you want me to cover, make sure to mention in the comments section below, and I will now see you in the next one. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.